Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to install Fortnite even though Apple's completely banned it off of the App Store. So Apple can patch this at any time. This is using a trick inside of the App Store itself. So if this method isn't working for you, let me know in the comments so I can make an updated tutorial. I have multiple methods, but I want to only show one in this video, so if Apple patches it, I can make an updated video. So there's one requirement, which is you needed to have Fortnite installed on your device in the past. You don't need it installed right now, obviously. So you can see I'm searching up Fortnite and it's not on my iPad. That's perfectly fine. However, if you never installed Fortnite before and you're trying to install it for the first time, I will have a separate video on that. It might take a couple of days to release, so make sure you are subscribed with the bell icon enabled because I will make that video. So if you have installed Fortnite before and would like to install it again, let's get started with this tutorial. So first of all, I want you to open up the App Store. Then you're going to see your avatar, your logo, I know, at the top right. Just tap on this and you'll be brought to the account page. You can see your name, you can see your email, but we want to find purchased. Tap on purchased and it's going to load a brand new view. So we're going to tap on my purchases and make sure you select all right here. And essentially it's going to show all of the applications that you've actually installed on your device in the past, which is really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and search out for Fortnite, and you can see Fortnite is available. Now there's a chance in the future Apple doesn't allow you to install Fortnite. When you install it, it says Fortnite has been removed off of the App Store. However, currently, even though Fortnite has been removed, it will fully install on my device. So you can see Fortnite has just started to install onto my home screen. You can see right here, the install process has just started. Make sure you are connected to the internet and Fortnite should install perfectly fine on your device eventually. Do keep in mind my internet isn't the fastest because I'm uploading this video right here. However, Fortnite will install, and if you want full proof of this, then I will actually have a unlisted video in the description and in the pinned comment. You can see the download has started, just showing you that Fortnite is fully working on my device. So hopefully this helps you out if you deleted Fortnite or you needed to update Fortnite. Me personally, I needed to update Fortnite and I was very upset because, you know, we can say what we want about the game, but I enjoy it personally and it was unfortunate I wasn't able to play the game, but now I can play the game again because of this little trick. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.